Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. So today we've got two stories and they're all about the farm. So you're going to help me. One story is about guessing which animal it is, and you can help me guess which animal we're talking about. And the other one is hide and seek. Let's see what animal's hiding. Right then, should we start? Let's start with the guessing one. So this is all about the farm. So this animal, I lay eggs, I like to eat corn, and I say cluck. Who am I? So can you tell me which animal this is? Are you going to tell me? Right, let's go to the next one. My tail is curly, I have a round nose, and I say oink. Who am I? Who's that? Are you going to tell me? Yes, it's a pig. You're right. I eat grass. I have a woolly coat and I say bah. Who am I? So which animal says bah? Can you tell me? Yeah, it's a sheep. You're right. Okay, last one. I live in a field. I make milk and I say moo. So which animal is this? Which animal gives you milk for your breakfast? Yes, it's a cow. Well done for guessing all the animals. You're very good at guessing, aren't you? Right, so shall we play animal hide and seek next? Okay, so let me sit right so you can see all the pages. There's only one cow in the barn. Where's Daisy? Should we go and find Daisy? Do you think she's behind this door? There she is. She was hiding, wasn't she? There are only 2 pigs in the pig pen. Where's Curly? So there's 2 pigs there. Should we go and find Curly? Where do you think she is? Do you think she's in the sty? Yeah, there she is. She was hiding in her pigsty, wasn't she? So look, there are only 3 sheep in the field. Where's Woolly? Can you see the 3 sheep? Right, where do you think Woolly is? That's not Woolly, is it? That's a rabbit. And that's a bee. Look, there's a little ladybird too. I wonder who's behind here though, this big bush. She was hiding behind the bush, wasn't she? We found her. There are only 4 hens in the farmyard. Where's Clucky? Can you see the 4 hens? There's 1, 2, 3 here, and there's one over here with all the little chickens. Right, let's have a look. Do you think she's in here? Shall we have a look? There she is. She might be busy laying eggs in there. That's why she was in there, wasn't she? Let's have a look. Well, we found all the animals, but where's Poppy and Sam? Why, where do you think Poppy and Sam is? Now, she could be in this truck here. Shall we have a look? There she is. She was in the trailer behind the tractor. And shall we see who's in the tractor? There he is. He was hiding too. He was in the tractor. Well done for helping me find all the animals. You did really well. And you guys have a lovely afternoon. And I will see you again for another story. Have a lovely day. Bye.